Yo, what's up everyone? It's Darwish. If you're a software engineer and you're not using AI tools in 2025, let's be real, you're leaving some serious productivity on the table. And listen, as developers, we're all about efficiency, right? So today we're diving deep into the top 5 AI tools that are absolute game changers in 2025. I've spent weeks testing out a ton of these tools, and trust me, these are the ones that actually deliver. We're talking next level coding superpowers here. You ready to step into the future of development? Let's go full dev mode. All right, let's kick things off with the OG itself, GitHub Copilot X. In 2025, Copilot X went full beast mode. We're talking deep integration with your IDE. Whether you're rocking VS Code or something from the JetBrains universe, this thing understands your code on another level. Need a complex function written out? Copilot X has got you. So want to generate unit tests without breaking a sweat? Copilot X is on it. But here's the kicker, it can actually explain code to you like that senior dev who always seems to have the answers. Copilot X helps you write cleaner, more efficient code. Seriously, this thing is a game changer. Next up, we've got Codeium. Think of it as the super sleek, crazy fast, and did I mention free alternative to Copilot? But here's where Codeium takes things to another level. You can literally have a conversation with your code base. Imagine this, you're staring at a massive code base, trying to find where a specific piece of logic is handled. Instead of scrolling through endless files, you just asked Codeium, hey, where's the login logic handled? Boom, it points you right to the spot. Or maybe you want to refactor some clunky code into a service class. Just tell Codeium what you want to do, and it handles it for you. It's not just about writing code, it's about understanding and interacting with your code in a whole new way. And the best part, Codeium is completely free to use. Okay, get ready for this one, because Cody by Sourcegraph is on another level. This is more than just an AI coding assistant, it's like having a super intelligent tech lead who's read every single line of your code. Cody is built on top of Sourcegraph's powerful code search engine, which means it has a deep understanding of your entire code base, not just the file you're currently working on. It's like having ChatGPT, but trained specifically on your code. You can ask Cody anything from how does this function work to find me all the places where we're using this deprecated API. It can even help you onboard new developers faster by providing instant context and explanations. One developer I talked to said it felt like pair programming with someone who knew their code base inside and out. That's the power of Cody. Now, you've probably heard of Tabnine, but in 2025 they really stepped up their game. What's new? Privacy. That's right. Tabnine now offers privacy first and on-premise options for enterprises. So if you're working with sensitive code and can't risk sending your data to the cloud, Tabnine has got you covered. No more worrying about GitHub or OpenAI integrations. Tabnine keeps your code secure within your own environment. We're talking full AI coding assistance, lightning-fast performance, and some seriously impressive code generation capabilities. It's the perfect choice for developers and teams who demand both security and cutting-edge AI assistance. All right, buckle up, because this last one feels like straight-up cheating. Continue.dev is like bringing the power of ChatGPT directly into your IDE. This is deep, real-time interaction with your code. Imagine being able to highlight a chunk of code and ask Continue.dev to refactor it, optimize it, or even translate it into another language, and it just does it. I was blown away when I first tried it. Continue.dev is open source and incredibly customizable. This is next-level AI development, and it's only getting started. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 AI tools for developers in 2025 that will absolutely supercharge your coding. We've got Copilot X, the AI coding workhorse, Codeium, for those who want to chat with their code, Cody by Sourcegraph, your AI tech lead, Tabnine, the privacy-focused AI powerhouse, and Continue.dev, which is basically ChatGPT living inside your IDE. Honestly, it's incredible to see how far AI development tools have come in just a few years. These tools are already changing the game for developers, and they're only going to get more powerful and sophisticated. So which one of these tools are you most excited to try, or are you already using one and loving it? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm reading every single one. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next one.